We all freaked out when Stephen Hawking and Elon Musk mentioned that artificial intelligence will take over the world. What were they talking about? What did they mean by it? Ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to talk about the three different ways how artificial intelligence could take over the world. I'm Ivan Keith and let's get started with the video. First things first, it has already started. It has already started. According to Times.com, millions of Americans have lost their jobs during the pandemic and are replaced by robots and artificial intelligence. The link to the article will be in the description. How are they replacing them is a question. AI delivery bots, drone delivery systems, and driverless AI trucks. For most of these people, these are not high paying jobs, but most people rely on these jobs to pay bills, like students doing deliveries to pay the college fees, and truck drivers stay away from their family, transporting goods from one state to another. And for most of them, this is the only source of income, and artificial intelligence is taking over it. This is the worst way for AI to take over the world because this won't be a problem just for the common man, but also the rich. Because no one would buy Kylie's makeup or Gucci fanny packs if they do not have money for their own fucking rent. Next is AI governance, stealing your human rights. How would you feel if someone was constantly watching you, waiting for you to act a little suspicious and ready to take you down? Well, it's happening with cars and motorcycles, and humans, as in citizens, are next in the line. China is planning on a citizenship rating system where you as a citizen will be rated like how every Uber driver or a delivery executive would be rated. So if your stars are lesser than 2 or 2.5, you will be behind bars. So every mistake you make, you throw a banana peel on the road, your rating goes down. And someone gets hurt by the banana peel, your rating goes down. You know, I made up the banana peel, I just hope you get the point. The third way is that AI will outsmart humans. I don't have to explain you this. I mean, our own creation will go against this, like plastic. What is it not affecting? There will be bots that will replace humans and outsmart them, that will make them completely useless. I mean, would you do math on a paper if I asked you what is 1000 minus 873 divided by 64 multiplied by 4? Or would you just ask Cortana?
I will not answer that.
Automation will outsmart humans in a way that it makes them very useless, where automation itself will identify a problem and solve its own problems, and which seems to be very far from what automation is right now. So how do we solve this problem? Some of us would be the gods of AI, the gods that may or may not regret their creation. These so-called gods that I'm talking about should take some precautions, regulate AI in a way that it does not go out of control, and set some constants that act as boundaries for the artificial intelligence model. I hope you guys had fun, and this is what we do at Sinem: automation, artificial intelligence, and software development, and a hell lot of science. Live long and prosper.